This is one piece, floor to ceiling, so the entire bathroom has very few seams. The master bathroom shower is also completely marble. You have full slabs, floor to ceiling, so it's just one large piece of marble. You have a marble floor. This is also one piece with a linear drain. The linear drain has a pan that receives a piece of marble, so it's flush and sleek. It's a very nice modern detail. The tub is a freestanding tub on a small elevated marble platform. This is a nice touch for the bathroom so that the bathing and showering is all in one compartment. This works very well if you don't have a huge space for the bathroom. The other very important thing that you want to do in your bathrooms is have shower niches. This really elevates the design. In the back of the shower, you have a full wall-to-wall niche, and on the sides, we have these 3 niche compartments. Now let me talk about the detail, because everything that comes down to a high-end luxury design is in the details. We have all the marble cut at a 45-degree angle. That's called a miter cut. And they install the marble so that you don't see any seams around. It really looks like just a recess in a marble wall. This is a really great detail. It's subtle, but it really elevates the bathroom design. Now, something I want to say about quality is the quality of how things are made. That's what really identifies a luxury design. This is custom made. We get a slab of marble matching with the wall behind. Send that to the fabricator. The fabricator makes the sink to our specifications, and then we have a much more elegant bathroom design than if we are buying a standard vanity. That's what makes this high end.